SBET is trending up 2.43%. This is Thursday, the 20th of November, 2025, pre-market session. The stock is still contracting the expansion of the summer that it had, especially, I think, mostly this one, towards the beginning of the summer when it printed the highs of around let's see now, 79.2, $79.35, still contracting that expansion. Yeah, underlying trend still remains bullish, but in the coming days, it might begin to change. Positions opened all the way back to 40 days ago are not in profit right now. And as things stand right now, we are not. Let's see now. Let's see what extrapolation is saying. It's saying lower prices may continue to print up till Friday, but going by the fact that it's up 2.43%, it may be defying this extrapolation and maybe moving ahead and trying to satisfy the extrapolation of Monday the 24th, where it's saying that it might bounce. But all in all, it's expecting that by early December, there might be a brief bounce that might take it beyond its 20-day moving average. Sorry, its 40-day moving average. A critical projection is it has right now is let's see now 14.57. Okay, that looks like a 50% premium from current levels. If it closes above that, then there's it's a chance of retesting 16.13 will improve. But as things stand right now, it looks like a tall order. Yeah, it looks like a tall order. Statistically, the probability of it retesting its Tuesday price is Tuesday the 18th is that probability is very high, but it doesn't mean it's going to happen. It doesn't mean that it's going to happen. Probability of it retesting 12.01 is also quite high as well. This is what it printed on the 7th of November. The fact that we have those probabilities does not mean it's gonna happen at all. And indeed, it also has lower prices, some really, really, really negative prices. Implying that they are referring to some really fractional prices. Yeah, projections as of early October was as high as 32.3 to 29.73, 25.46. Coming down to its 4-hour chart, we can see here it's saying that a bounce might happen and it may remain strong going all the way towards yes, early December. Okay, just to some extent, it aligns with what we have on the daily chart there, and where once it says here once it crosses above that 40 period moving average, it's going to sustain it for some time. And I think we still have to have a look at Ethereum. I think it's ETH that it's the company is stocking up on. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, we don't have anything like that. Any in terms of extrapolations, they don't correlate. Let's see now, but we have BMNR showing, I think, something similar. Yeah, something similar. So something is coming up for ETH treasury stocks. Something might be there for them. They may be cooking up something. Ethereum itself doesn't isn't showing anything of this sort. Not showing any extrapolation of this sort. But we'll see. Ethereum trades every day. So these ones don't trade on Saturday and Sunday. Who knows? It could be a reason why we've seen a divide divergence. And most of all, as well, they are both leveraged proxies to Ethereum. But we'll see how it goes. Okay. Projections momentum is expected. And the projection of the momentum is saying that it may remain strong. Yeah, up till the 21st of November. Yeah, then and then cool off slightly, and then resume again from the 26th of November, going all the way towards the 1st of December. Okay, so yeah, the stock is currently trending. Let's see what's going on about it.
SBET Sharp Link Gaming is trending as investors increasingly debate its correlation to broader crypto-related equities and the rising price of Ethereum. With the company continuing to position itself as a major Ethereum treasury play, traders are viewing SBET as a leveraged proxy for Ethereum, and many argue that the stock is trading at a substantial discount relative to the current market value of its Ethereum holdings. This undervaluation gap has become a core talking point across social platforms, especially as Ethereum maintains strong momentum. At the same time, the bullish narrative is being balanced by skepticism surrounding management decisions, dilution risk, and overall market sentiment. Some community members remain cautious due to past capital raises and the firm's reliance on crypto driven valuation rather than traditional operating performance. Broader macro conditions, including volatility in crypto markets and ongoing regulatory uncertainty, are also shaping investor expectations. Adding to the conversation, traders have been pointing to unusual options activity and notable volume spikes, which some interpret as early signals of institutional positioning or a potential shift in sentiment. Technical analysts within the community are also highlighting chart patterns such as consolidations near support, bullish divergences, and potentially breakout zones, reinforcing speculation that the stock could see elevated volatility in the near term. Overall, SBET remains a highly polarizing ticker. Bulls see a discounted Ethereum treasury play with asymmetric upside if crypto markets rally, while bears continue to question execution, governance, and the sustainability of its valuation strategy. The ongoing tug of war between these perspectives is driving the stock's heightened visibility and fueling active discussion across the trading community.
Okay, so well, we haven't really seen nothing fantastic, but it does not mean that there isn't option activity here. Let's have a look. This is the ones. These ones will expire tomorrow. Tomorrow, the 21st. What is that called? So yeah, you could say yeah. You could say yes. This is quite decent. So yeah, they may be, and as that readout said, and it might be an indication that institutional investors are positioning. Yeah, okay, it might be. So sometimes they when you have this any options when you have an increase in options activity, it may entail heavy trading, but at the same time as well, it may temporarily um, dampen the volatility. Volatility will be there, but it wouldn't be very the swings wouldn't be very high. They may it'll just be volatile within a tight range, and so indeed you could one can conclude that when you have volatility within a tight range, that maybe institutions may be buying. Yeah, they may be doing that because they want to get in, and they want some stability before any huge swings occur. So yeah, it may well be what may be happening. Because we've noticed a pattern of high options activity with high trading volumes, and then trade volatility within a tight range. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. The stock is currently trending now. Okay, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.